A very good morning, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Education is what remains after one has forgotten what one has learnt in school. December 2nd, 2021 marks 16 years of strong and supportive relationship. School is where children spend most of their time, and it is where we lay the foundation for healthy habits. On this note, I, Zankana Anand, TJT CSPD, take it as a deemed privilege to welcome you all on our 16th Foundation Day. All welcome our determined soul of our institution, Sri Raghunath Mishra, our respected Chairman, sir, a man of vision, Sri Pratap Kumar Jana, our Manager, sir, and the standing pillar of our institution, Principal Mrs. Khanika Das. I also proudly welcome Senior SMC Member, Mr. Sanat Das. Welcome, sir. I also welcome our respected academic supervisors. I also welcome our role models who have brightened and sharpened the face of our institution, that is our dear teachers. And finally, I welcome you all, my loving and dear children. I proudly welcome you all on this auspicious day. I would now request the esteemed dignitaries to kindly pay floral tribute to Sri Baksi Jagabandhu Vidyadhara Brahmavara Ray Mahapatra. Thank you so much. I would now request our dear children to offer bouquet as a token of love and respect to our esteemed dignitaries. Thank you, dear children. Baksi Jagabandhu English Medium School 2. It is a dream come true project of BJ Education Society. It is named after Baksi Jagabandhu Vidyadhara Brahmavara Ray Mahapatra, one of the glorious and eminent freedom fighters of Orissa. The school came into existence on 11th May 2006 and started functioning on 19th June 2006. In due course of time, it has been affiliated to CBSE New Delhi, It follows the motto of its fraternity, let learning be a joy and teaching a pleasure. The school started operating in its own campus after its inauguration by His Excellency Shri Muralidhar Chandrakant Bhandare, the then Governor of Orissa in the year 2009. The school has completed the 15th academic year successfully. During these years, the school has organized various activities. The results of class 10 and 12 board exams has been excellent and improving every year. The school presently has an enrollment of around 2,300 students, having staff strength of 95 teachers and 100 non-teaching staff. The vision of our school is nurturing young students into global citizens who are compassionate to the environment and people around them. I now welcome our respected principal ma'am to kindly give the welcome address, please.
A very good morning to one and all present over here. Happy Foundation Day to all of you. In fact, I would say it is happy birthday BJM School too. It is the birthday of BJM School too. So on this auspicious occasion, we are really privileged to have amongst us our Honorable Chairman Sri Raghunath Mishra, esteemed Manager Sri Pratap Kumar Jena, Member of the School Managing Committee Sri Sanat Das, both the Administrative Supervisors Mrs. Anusaya Pothal and Mrs. Apali Apraita, Mr. Sudarshan Samatrai, the in charge of Plus 2, all my dear colleagues and my dear students. It is a great day. Since last 2-3 years, things are going in a different direction, and we didn't have any chance to have a formal meeting like this on a Foundation Day. It was always some kind of celebration in the form of exhibition or some kind of other activities. So this is my first experience, I'll say, having a formal meeting where I have to speak about Foundation Day. So when we speak about BJM2, it is definitely the brainchild of BJ Education Society. BJ Education Society is a huge tree which has extended its branches and is providing the shade of education to the society. Already it has one established school at Kalpana, and this is the second branch. When there was a huge demand for seats, the second unit was thought of. Definitely it was an idea of the BJ Education Society to start the second school. So only 3 rooms were provided in BJM 1, where LN, UN and Standard 1 had started. I am saying this because there are many new students and new teachers, and even some old teachers may not know the background effort. So the 3 rooms we started, and I think Mr. Srinivas Rao, Abhay Kumar Jena and Rosalind Das, these are the 3 old employees who are still here. And at that time, chairman was Sri Harinarayan Sahu. After his tenure, he was succeeded by Sri Gagan Chandra Das, and now presently we have our very own beloved chairman, Sri Raghunath Mishra. So the effort that was taken by the Education Society, BJ Education Society, is difficult to describe, because every corner, every bit of this school can speak about it, because the effort that all the chairmen, managers, the members of the society, that they have taken, the involvement that is there everywhere, in every event, in every occasion. If I start with chairman sir, present chairman sir, at this age, those who are new teachers, you will see during the interview how he sits there. At this age, he should have had a very comfortable life enjoying with his grandchildren, but he sits there from 10 to 5 and listens to everyone and observes everything. And if we speak about manager sir, everyone knows how much effort he has taken starting from the building. Again, I'll narrate one instant. When I was new to the school, we had come to this campus and there was only sand and mud and water, and I saw only 4 pillars. In front of the school you have portico, there are 4 or 6 pillars over there. Sir came and I don't know what he saw. He asked Abhay to break one pillar. I couldn't understand what went wrong, but that much precision, that much accuracy he had, he asked it to rebuild it. That means the foundation needs to be strong. The building has to be strong enough to grow so high today. So that was the effort he has taken. And you can even imagine what steps he has taken for everything that is happening, for every occasion. He is involved, and his involvement has encouraged us to grow up in a better way. If I speak about the effort taken by the teachers, definitely whether it is new or old, everyone is working together. That's why we have had such great results. Like always manager sir says, the first batch had a very fantastic result, in the sense everybody was 100% pass out with first division. During that time, CGPA system was there, but still then all of them were in the first division. Now also the result is there. There is not a single failure till date. So it is the effort of the teachers. If you are talking about the office staff, they are also working hard. The support staff have worked hard. There are many joyous moments, but along with it, today on this foundation day, I would like to remember some sorrowful moments. We have lost many good souls, starting from Pramod sir. If there are any students who are still there who has been taught by Pramod sir, you remember what kind of a person he was. Then Sabnam Verma, then Pushpashri Pillai madam, then support staff also we have lost Sagar, we have lost Bharat, we have lost Geeta. So things are there, ups and downs are there, some good memories are there, some bad memories are there, but everything teaches us something in life, and we need to continue. We need to improve ourselves. Always there is a scope for improvement, and old ones will teach the new ones how to improve. New ones will definitely adapt all the good qualities of the school, and the culture should be maintained. This school has a culture. I am forgetting about the students. Whatever results, it is the effort of the teachers, but students also have taken some effort. You have been good students. When I compare our students with other school students, definitely you are disciplined. Of course, discipline has no boundary. You have to be more and more disciplined to improve in your life, but as compared to other schools, definitely we should give a big round of applause for our students who remain disciplined, and they are the pride of our school. There are so many BJ James, there are so many national award winners, so many project holders, so many things are happening. So this is what we can speak about when we speak about the school's greatness. But at the end, I can again quote a few lines from a Hindi song which I really appreciate. थोड़ा है, थोड़े की ज़रूरत है, जिंदगी फिर भी यहाँ खूबसूरत है. I think all of you will agree with this. With that, thanks to all of you for your support, starting from bus staff to office staff to support staff, all the teachers, all the management members who are actively involved. I hope everything goes on smoothly like this. There are differences of opinion, but again I see there is a blending. We all blend together and grow together. That is our main strength. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your comprehensive report and a little flashback down the memory lane. It is true, we must move on. People come and go, but we must move on. Life must go on. May I now invite our distinguished manager, sir, to speak a few words, please.
Thank you, Madam Jakhna Anand. Good morning. Good morning, friends, dear students. So I have to take turn like this and this to look at all the students sitting on both the sides. So it's a great day for all of us. For every BJMian, it's a great day. So we have started this program today with the august presence of our esteemed chairman, Sri Raghunath Mishra. You see the man at the age of 85. And when I reached his home at 8, and I called him, yes, I'm ready. So see the spirit of the man in this cold winter morning, getting ready at 8 o'clock. Even 7 he can be ready. I've seen on number of occasions, at 7 even he comes to school to attend programs. Respected Madam Principal, Mrs. Thanika Das, respected member of the management, Sri Sanat Das, all the respected teachers, staff and my dear students. So principal has rightly, she never forgets. I appreciate her memory power. So she has narrated the history. And you know, to see your future, you have to read the history. You have to know the history to see your future. The person who never reads history, never remembers history, can never alive today to see the tomorrow. And you know, in our society, nowadays, it was not earlier there. Nowadays, we only think about ourselves. We think if I am okay, everything is okay. No. If I am okay, everything is not okay. We have to make efforts to make everything okay. That should be the spirit. If you ask a child the name of grandparents, I think 90% of parents can answer. Great-grandparents, how many of you can answer? Please raise your hands. How many of you can tell the names of your great-grandparents? Means grandparents' parents. Grandparents' parents. Please be honest and raise your hands. The fault is with your parents. Those who have raised hands, I am proud of you. I am proud of your parents. Those who don't know, not your fault. Not your fault. It's the fault of the parents. Because the parents feel if my child becomes educated, gathers a lot of knowledge, occupies a very responsible post with a high salary, the life is complete. Life is not complete. That is not the life. Life is different. To have a meaningful life and a successful life, two different things. So, to have a meaningful life, you need to know so many things beyond the curriculum, beyond the syllabus, beyond the books. You have to be a man like man, woman like woman. That is why BJM school is made for. BJM school is completely different from other schools. It is not a business organization. It is not a one-man-led, limited company or a proprietorship business. You know, proprietorship means one person owning, running the business. Proprietor. He can take decision, good or bad, anything. Profit or loss goes to him. But BJM school, one or two are completely different. Number of schools, you know, I don't want to name them, in the city, in the state. They have been owned by individuals, run like business organizations, private limited companies. But BJM school is completely different. It's a society-run school. Society means there is society art, taking people of different stratas of life from the society, from different categories, lifestyle, professionals are there, bureaucrats are there, teachers are there, social workers are there, taking them, the society, BJM school society is formed, and society runs the school. In 1974, BGM School 1 came to existence. Then credit goes to the successive managing committees, presidents, chairmen, secretaries, members, teachers, for which BGM School 1 went to prominence, rose to prominence, and there came a lot of demand. In the year 2006, came a huge demand from parents. Around 200 parents couldn't get admission in lower nursery and upper nursery and class 1 in school 1. They approached us, the managing committee, and we could read their face, because you know, if you don't get, you can realize that. Parents know, when the parents don't get a seat in a school nearby, what sort of problem they suffer from within themselves, only parents know. We could read from the faces how they were suffering. So we took a risk, a huge risk we took, and Madam Principal has already named the persons, people who were there in the managing committee. I was also there, I was one of them. So we took a big risk, and risk was not for any self-improvement, not for any self-acquisition, self-gain, it was for the society. And we know, keep it, remember this, my dear children, if the intention is honest, leave everything to God. Leave the rest to the God. If intention is 100% honest, there is no dilution. And that was there with us. Only aim was to bring up school to accommodate 200 students in lower nursery, upper nursery and class 1. We started the school there in that campus. 3 rooms were there, extra surplus rooms were there, we managed. 2-3 years after, and in the meantime, we started searching for a piece of land. I tell you that morning, we saw so many pieces, in this side also. In the side of Khandagiri, so many areas. People came, the middlemen came, took me to the areas. Other members also accompanied me. But somehow, for some reason, those pieces of land could not be accepted, were found to be unsuitable. Today I standing here, I feel God will definitely lead you on the right path if again intention is clean. Perhaps this was the right place for which God wanted that this managing committee will be led via XYZ to Satyampur. Never to a wrong spot. Because you know, in business, 50% of business is selection of site. Remember, please, dear students, when you will think of doing any business, 50% of success is selection of site. Site selection is 50%. Then comes perseverance, your labor, capital, everything. But 50% of the success is selection of site. And this piece of land came one morning. I was with lot of worries, because you know, after that there is no accommodation in BGM School 1. We had to select a site and a building. One man came, I very faintly knew him. Pratap Babu, we were searching for a land place. Early morning, come. And I, along with other members, Dr. Lenka was there, Dr. Tiwari was there, Dr. Amit Tripathi was there, with Dagan Chandra Das, H.M. Sahu, sir, the chairman, he was there, came to the spot. And we decided this is the piece of land we are searching for, we are voting for. And what you see the campus today is this piece of land. 5 acres of land, including all official expenses of registration, mutation, conversion, was 40 lakhs. Per acre, it comes 8 lakhs. Per acre, 8 lakhs. Today, do you know the cost of land here? Per acre, it is 5 crores. You calculate. We purchased in 2006 per acre you can understand, acre is a piece, it is a measurement. When you measure land, it is in acres. Per acre, the entire campus is 5 acres. Now you can know how much 1 acre can cover. 8 lakhs per acre we purchased, and today it is 5 crores per acre. So if any profit, any appreciation has been credited to school, it is school's property. What we have done, we have only put up our work, and for the next generation. For the next generation, when you establish a school, you never think for students today, you think for next generation. And we may not be there tomorrow, but the school will be here. And teachers will come, go, students will come and pass out. But school will go like the brook, the poem. I go on forever. Men may come, men may go, but I go on forever. The school will go on forever. So this is about the school and society, BJ School Society. I always feel proud of being a part of the society. People, learned people, qualified people, honest people, experienced people. When I joined the society in '87, I was just like a young man, playing cricket only. Didn't know what is administration, office administration. ABC I didn't know. 1987. And if at all I have learned anything with regard to administration, good administration, people like sir, so many like this, retired bureaucrats, former Chief Secretary C.S.M. Patnaik, C.K. Vishwanathan, UN Sahu. So I could learn from them, watching them how they were working. So you will see, when you play cricket, you can learn much by watching how Telugu is playing, than playing yourself. So if you are honestly watching a honest person, you can learn a lot of honesty. Honestly watching an honest person, you can learn a lot of honesty. Also vice versa. So my dear students, always keep it in mind. Always follow. If you come across an honest man, honest worker, watch him. How you are doing? What is the lifestyle? Gandhi said, don't read my books. My life is my message. See, watch how Gandhiji led his life. So this is the great day for all of us. I personally bow down to all the teachers. Management could bring up the building, the land, but the life was added to, when we go for a temple, new temple, we construct the temple, purchase the deities, but there is one Prana Pratishtha. Prana Pratishtha, those who do the Brahmin, the Pandits, they know how to bring life to the stone deities. And the life to this building was brought by the teachers. Nobody will come to a building, a campus. For any ordinary people, it's a huge building, huge structure. But when they ask themselves, what is going on there? Now teaching is being imparted. Quality teaching is being imparted by a set of competent, honest teachers. Then only they will step into the campus, otherwise they will go straight on the main road. That life has been added to this campus by the teachers. I know every one of them, maybe office staff, maybe teachers. We started with one teacher first. Another thing, Madam Principal should remember, it's a coincidence. BJM School 1, when it was started, Madam O. Littlewood, let O. Littlewood, an Anglo, lady. You can see, if you go to school one, you will see on the entrance, her portrait is there. I always, every day I enter in the school, I pay my namaskar. So she was the mother of that school, Mrs. O. Litlu. She worked till she was physically fit. Management gave her the liberty because she was never an employee. She was the mother of the school. So management told her, ma'am, she used to come from Japni every day, to and fro. So management said, ma'am, as long as you feel fit, you are welcome in the campus. And she did that. Then she passed away, maybe in 98 or 99, I forget the year. And the coincidence is, her daughter was also a teacher there, Thomas. Madam Thomas was a teacher there, nursery teacher. She retired in the year 2006. And she was the first principal of the school. Mother produced school 1, daughter produced school 2. Mrs. Thomas, she is still alive, staying in Japni. So she became the first principal of this school, on whose lap this school took part and got the nourishment. It's a coincidence. So we have to remember all these, everything you have to remember. Anything, anybody, if anybody, always remember one thing. We may not be able to do great things for others, but never forget to convey your gratefulness. At least this much you can say, sir, thanks, ma'am, thanks, I'm grateful. Never forget to express your gratefulness, because ungratefulness, to be ungrateful is the biggest cause. सबुठारु बड़ अभिशाप होची यदि आमे कृतज्ञता ज्ञापन करबा नै केबे लाइफ रे अकृतज्ञ होवा नै वी मे नॉट हम तापे समर्थन पे आमे भलो काम कर परबा नै हेल्प कर परबा नै किंतु जदि किछि काटरु हेल्प पाउचे एनी टिके कैलकुलेशन करबा नै से मोर कोन क्षति करछि से भी किछि हेल्प कर तार हेल्प पाई आमे कृतज्ञता जणाइबा. So always learn how to express your gratefulness. So I always express my gratefulness to all those teachers who brought life to this campus. Life, great teachers. I always compare school 1 with school 2. Always, even school 1, I say, go and learn from school 2. How the young staff, inexperienced at that time, but the energy, physical energy they have, and they utilize this for the school. Always I used to cite this example at school 1. Go to school 2 and learn. They never get tired. And Madam Principal, you know, is a very hard taskmaster. I've seen in the early years how she used to make teachers extract the work, maybe in drama, music, dance, in everything. So I again express my gratefulness to all the teachers, those who have served the school till date, and those who are also presently working here. Students and parents, after everything, there comes the result. You do everything. Have a good campus, beautiful garden, very competent teachers. But what the public will watch, do you know? The public will watch in the newspaper, result of 10 and 12 has come. How many? What how many? Not how many have failed. How many have secured 90% and above? They will search that. They compare it. Because I know, I get lot of phone calls. Your school has done good. They compare with the Pokripur DAV, United DAV, CSPur DAV, BGM School 1, BGM School 2, SAI, they compare this. How many 90% plus are there? That is from the first exam, 2016, when we appeared the first class 10, I was eagerly voting. In mathematics, we were poor. We took the help of Madam Sandhya Mishra. Just, you see again how God arranges. I was very much concerned about English and mathematics. English and mathematics, very much concerned. I was regularly watching the marks, the performance of students, 8, 9, like that. I was afraid maybe in mathematics so many will not be able to pass. Again, God is there to arrange things in the right way. Madam Sandhya Mishra and Madam English Saraj Gorewal, both were brilliant teachers, retired from DAP. Joined us. Sandhya ma'am said, sir, you know, in this campus, Sandhya ma'am was used to take extra classes till 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock for class 10. In this campus. And I used to, at school 1, when the bus vehicle, she was coming down, sir, don't worry. Now you are free from all sorts of worries. Students have already made up their backlog. They will definitely come up with brilliant result, and that happened. Out of 56 students, if I am right, 56 students, 19 got 10 CGPA. 19.
62.
It was the first batch, I tell you. Class 10 first batch, out of 56, 19 got 10 CGPA. All got 60% and above. It's a record no school in its first year in the city has ever achieved. Not even school 1. I always compare this, very frankly. School 1 to get 100% pass out in class 10 had to wait from 74 85 first batch. 85. From 85 to 2000, the school had to wait to get 100% pass out in class 10. You see, and BGM School 2 achieved this in the first year. In the maiden year, it came up with 100% pass out, 100% first class. It's a unique record for the students. I am proud of you, dear students. So you have to follow this. So, shouting a lot, teaching a lot, putting all efforts. When the newspaper will say, everything is gone. So dear students, always you know, India in cricket was very poor in the past. In 83, all of a sudden won the World Cup. Unexpected. Unexpected. Nobody had expected that India could go to finals and again to beat West Indies. And once the touch that level, achievement जीवन में कौन जान चुका? तो मतलब तो थारे गोटे जगह ड्रेन छुई दला, आउ तो टाइम का तड़ू छुआ नहीं. That is what is called. You have to set a benchmark. So once that benchmark is set, we have been successfully following it, achieving it every year. Credit goes to you, my dear student. Keep this in mind. Besides everything, we have to always watch for the result. And the school can be I have appreciation through you only through you. Finally, the motto of BGM's motto. What is the motto of BGM School? Why we are struggling here? Why we are spending our time here? One point is, let the BGMians come out with success, with colors, and with a difference. Difference, you know, what is difference? What is the difference between ordinary and extraordinary? What is the difference between the ordinary and extraordinary? That extra. Difference is that extra. Try to achieve that extra. Ordinary people, 125 crores in India. If you want to become one of them, very easy. If you want to add that extra to you, you become extraordinary. Okay, and our motto is our students not only excel in academics, in sports and games, but also in terms of good character, good conduct, good human being, to become complete human beings, have passion for others, caring for others, share your happiness with others. That is what can make a student a complete human being. Just by getting knowledge, qualification, degrees, and nowadays people start talking like this. What is the package? They feel proud of. What is the package? Means per month, per year, how much you earn. That is not the way, how we should weigh and measure a human being. Measuring a human being is, you have to see whether he or she possesses human qualities or not. Human qualities is, you have to share, care, passion, love, affection, everything. Think about society, think about the man, the neighborhood. So with this, I am extremely proud. We are observing the 16th birth anniversary of our school. May God bless us, let this school go up and up. Students every year shine, and we will definitely feel proud of wherever we will be, wherever. Definitely see when a Vijayan shines across the world, we'll definitely feel proud of, we, the teachers, everybody, will definitely feel proud of that. Our efforts, maybe in any little form, has never gone to die. आमे जदि किसी समाधान करिथिलु से समाधान केबे बुथा हेइनी. With that honest feeling, I bless my dear students, wish you all the best, and I pray God, let my school go up and up. Thank you all.
Thank you so much, sir, for your historical report and the glimpse and background of the school. Discipline, as sir said, if you put discipline, we move up and up. I would like to narrate this from your history textbooks of SST. You must have learned in your history textbook standard 9 and 10, the battle of Waterloo was fought in the battlefield of Eton. I think you have learned that. So, quoting that incident, may I now invite our distinguished manager, sir, to speak a few words, please. May I now request our distinguished chairman, sir, to speak a few words, please. Sorry.
Very good and warm morning on this great day to every one of you. Each one of you have my blessings. All of you must feel very, very proud today, and essentially so, because you are participating in a great event, that is Foundation Day, which is the 15th Foundation Day of your favorite educational institution. Esteemed manager, esteemed principal, esteemed member, Mr. Sanat Das, respected all teachers, and above all, my dear students, to whom I always bless, and God bless you. As you know, yesterday is history, tomorrow is history. Today is a gift, that is why we know as present. Am I correct? Yesterday is history, tomorrow is mystery, today is a gift, that is why it is known as present. So, you enjoy the present as much as you can. So long as you are here, you enjoy whatever is given to you, and be sure that it is always given as best gift to you. You have done wonderful work in the past. You are thoroughly disciplined. You have not brought any burden to the school so far. I have been very closely watching the activities of the students and the teachers, and I am extremely happy that you are the ideal alumnus of this institution, which is growing every day, almost on the day-to-day basis. So, I give you a big thank you to all of you, particularly the teachers' fraternity, for their wonderful work, discipline, teaching, learning, and also interaction. So, they have done their best to educate you, to make you men, to make you a good citizen of India. Please keep it up. On this very great day, I must pay my rich tribute to Sri Muralidhar Chandrakanta Bhandare, to Sri Harinarayan Sahu, Sri Gavan Chandra Das, and the man behind, woman behind this entire institution is O Little Ut, who gave the foundation, who gave the lead for these educational institutions to grow. There are so many persons, so many parents, particularly in this rural hinterland of Satyabhama. I pay my respects, I pay my namaskar to every parent, those who have contributed in no small measure for the upkeep and growth of this august institution. You must be observing today the Sri Mandira episode in the Taranga TV. There, the third queen is Satyabhama, and this is Satyabhama. And Satyabhama was a wise counsel to Raja Purushottam, as you know. So Satyabhama is legendary famous, and we are proud of that the learned manager and his associates there and his well-wishers there came here in needy quarter and selected this place, which found to be a rich place of heritage now, a rich place of pilgrimage now, a rich place for learning and excellence. So, students, take every minute to educate yourself from the nook and corner of this land, this 4 acres, 5 acres land, which will give you, without any fees, whatever you want, and the inspiration, the much needed inspiration to you. On this occasion also, I remember all the teachers, those who have done even for a single day's teaching here and have left for some reason or other, they have also some contribution to make. Particularly the teachers today who are present, they are all excellent teachers and they are trying their best to give their might, and you should exploit their talent, exploit their capability, exploit their time, exploit their attention, and be a proud man, a proud Vijayagiri. Now I must say a few words about the manager, who is devoting 24 multiplied by 7 for all the schools, educational institutions, and he is really an educationist now, and we hope he will continue to bless all of you and do his best to make the institution far more beautiful, far more energetic, and far more known in the history of the education of India, nay of the world. So we will be proud on that day when you all rise to the occasion and always try to achieve 100% results every year. That is my honest prayer to God, and also my blessings to you all, that you make use best of your time for the all-round development of your mind, soul, body together, and pay attention to your education, sports, exercise, yoga, and everything which are provided for your benefit only. I pay my respect to all your parents who have chosen this school. On this occasion, I pay my regards to them. And on this occasion also, I must appreciate the efforts made by the principal, who is basically an artistic woman and who has a sense of beauty and a sense of culture, sense of inspiration for the juniors. So you try to forget all his shortcomings and try to cooperate her in every sphere so that ultimately it will be to your benefit and this school will grow further and further. On this occasion I will only say that you should remember throughout your life one thing, that power is vaporous, popularity is accidental, riches take wings. The only thing that survives is the individual character. So my dear boys and girls, please try to maintain your character always. Your character must be a sterling character and to be emulated by your brothers and sisters and neighbors, children. Thank you very much. God bless you all. God bless the institution and God bless everybody. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for your priceless words. Hearing you is always a treasure. Now I would like to call upon Kavyadeep Raj and Padma Shri P. Trustee of Standard 8 for a poetry recital.
Here, respected Chairman Sir, esteemed Manager Sir, revered Principal Ma'am, respected SMC members, beloved teachers, and my lovely friends.
Wish you a very happy 15th Foundation Day.
On this occasion, I, Kavyadeep,
I, Padma Shri,
are going to present a poetic recital, Seeds of Glory. On 11th May 2006, a legacy was born, holding lovely roses without any thorn, lighting many caves which were forever dark, with the PJ Education Society creating a spark. Though small and fragile earlier in nature, they didn't hesitate to embark upon this glorious venture. Doctors, scientists, artists and officers, all such honors are in a coffer, equipped with many games, coaches and grounds, many medals, many cups, players and crowns.
I remember the day I stepped on this threshold as a toddler, soon weaving dreams of which I was the curator. Higher have I to rise as a bubble, soar up and fight every trouble. For I have to show the world my sparkle, illuminating my school with a proud dazzle.
Standing proudly in Satyabhamapur for 16 years, say still challenging hurdles without a fear. Confident yet humble, our teachers, HODs and supervisors giving 100% for their students, being their saviors. Well-furnished classrooms where success needs no bounds. Best equipped with best workers is the unnoticed background.
I, a part of this glorious institution, have appreciated life and its definition. My school has taught me to envision my destination, so I will pursue and persevere with firm determination to unfold all over my virtuous gratification, spreading my school's eminence beyond every horizon.
Our aunties and uncles are unmatched in service. Their selfless devotion is what we will cherish. Soaring high with many accolades and a stellar reputation, our school deserves nothing but a standing ovation. Many stars are studying, many stars are shining, glittering and glowing, leading the world in rising. So,
let her confident and prosperous flag proudly sway. This is the wish of our students on this 15th Foundation Day. Thank you.
That was awesome. A memory down the lane. Thank you, children. Moving on to the next event, I'd like to call upon Tamanna Das of Standard 9 for a small enactment.
ମୁଁ ସମୟ ଇତିହାସର ବକ୍ଷ ଚିରି ମୁଁ ସଂଗ୍ରହ କରିପାରେ ସ୍ମୃତି ଆଉ ବିସ୍ମୃତିର ରକ୍ତାକ୍ତ ପଳାଶ ପାଖୁଡ଼ା। ପାଷାଣ ଦେହରେ ପଦ୍ମ ଫୁଟାଇବାର ଦୁର୍ବାର ଅଭିଜ୍ଞତା ବି ମୋର ଅଛି। ମୋ ଇଶାରାରେ କଙ୍କାଳ କଥା କହିବାଟା ବି କିଛି ଅସମ୍ଭବ ନୁହେଁ। କିନ୍ତୁ ଆଜି ସମୟର ଚୋରାବାଲିରେ ଅଜସ୍ର ଆନନ୍ଦର ଢେଉ। ଅତୀତର ଫରୁଆରୁ ମୁଁ ସଂଗ୍ରହ କରି ଆଣିଛି এই অনুষ্ঠানର ରୋମାଞ୍ଚ ଭରା ଜନ୍ମ ବୃତ୍ତାନ୍ତ। କ'ଣ ଆପଣମାନେ ଶ୍ରବଣାକାଂକ୍ଷୀ? ଆପଣମାନେ ଶୁଣିବାକୁ ବ୍ୟସ୍ତ? ଆପଣମାନେ ଶୁଣିବାକୁ ବିବ୍ରତ? ଆପଣମାନେ ଶୁଣିବାକୁ ଉଦ୍ବିଗ୍ନ? ଶ୍ରବଣ କରନ୍ତୁ ତେବେ। ମୁଁ କେବଳ ଇତିହାସର ପୃଷ୍ଠା ସବୁ ନିରବଚ୍ଛିନ୍ନ ଉନ୍ମୁକ୍ତ କରିବାକୁ ଉଦ୍ବେଳିତ। ପ୍ରାୟ ଅନେକ ବର୍ଷ ତଳର କଥା। 2006 ମସିହା ବକ୍ସି ଜଗବନ୍ଧୁ ଶିକ୍ଷା ସଂଗଠନର ପ୍ରଥମ କନ୍ୟା ବିଦ୍ୟାଳୟ 1 ବିଜେପି ନଗରର ବୁକୁଦୁ ଲଗାଇ ଦର୍ପିତା ଢଙ୍ଗରେ ଚନ୍ଦ୍ରକଳା ପରି ବଢ଼ି ଚାଲିଥାଏ। ସଂଗଠନର ମଙ୍ଗୁଳାମାନେ କନ୍ୟା 2କୁ ଲୋକାର୍ପଣ କରିବାର ନିଷ୍ପତ୍ତି ନେଲେ। ବିଦ୍ୟାଳୟ 2 ବିଦ୍ୟାଳୟ 1ର ଏନ୍ତୁଡ଼ିଶାଳରେ ମାତ୍ର 3 ଜଣ ପରିବାରକୁ ନେଇ ଠିଆ ହେଲା। କିନ୍ତୁ ଏ କ'ଣ? ଆଶାତୀତ ଭାବରେ ଏହା କଳେବର ବୃଦ୍ଧି କରି ଚାଲିଲା ଯେ ଅନୁଷ୍ଠାନର ମୁଖିଆମାନେ ଚିନ୍ତାରେ ପଡ଼ିଗଲେ। କ'ଣ କରିବେ? ସଭା ପରେ ସଭା ବସିଲା। ପ୍ରତିଦିନ ସକାଳର ଚାହା କପ୍ରେ ଝଡ଼ ଉଠିଲା। ଚାରିଆଡ଼େ ହୋହାଲା ହେଲା। ସତ୍ୟଭାମାପୁର ସବୁଜ ଶ୍ୟାମଳ ଅଞ୍ଚଳକୁ ଗାଡ଼ି ଗଡ଼ିଲା। ରଡ୍, ସିମେଣ୍ଟ, ମୂଲିଆ, ମଜଦୁର, ଇଟା, ପଥରର ଓଜନ ଭାରରେ ଏ ଅଞ୍ଚଳ ଦୁଲୁକି ଉଠିଲା। ମାତ୍ର କେଇଟା ଦିନରେ ଠିକ୍ 2009 ମସିହାରେ ମୁଣ୍ଡ ଟେକି ଠିଆ ହେଲା ବକ୍ସି ଜଗବନ୍ଧୁ ଶିକ୍ଷା ସଂଗଠନର ଦ୍ୱିତୀୟ କନ୍ୟା ବକ୍ସି ଜଗବନ୍ଧୁ ଇଂରାଜୀ ମାଧ୍ୟମ ବିଦ୍ୟାଳୟ 2। ବୀର ଯୋଦ୍ଧା ବକ୍ସିଙ୍କ ପରି ଦୃଢ଼ ଆଉ ଶାଣିତ ଥିଲା ତାର ଲକ୍ଷ୍ୟ। Let learning be a joy and teaching a pleasureର ଆଭିମୁଖ୍ୟରେ ଏହା ଦଣ୍ଡାୟମାନ ହେଲା। ତତ୍କାଳୀନ ଓଡ଼ିଶାର ରାଜ୍ୟପାଳ ଶ୍ରୀ ମୁରଲୀଧର ଚନ୍ଦ୍ରକାନ୍ତ ଭଣ୍ଡାରୀଙ୍କ ଉଦ୍ଘାଟନରେ ଅନୁଷ୍ଠାନ ଛାତି ଫୁଲେଇ ଠିଆ ହେଲା। ଅନୁଷ୍ଠାନର ଚେୟାରମ୍ୟାନ୍ ଶ୍ରୀଯୁକ୍ତ ରଘୁନାଥ ମିଶ୍ର, ମୁଖ୍ୟ ପରିଚାଳକ ଶ୍ରୀଯୁକ୍ତ ପ୍ରତାପ ଜେନା ଓ ଅଧ୍ୟକ୍ଷା ଶ୍ରୀମତୀ କ୍ଷଣିକା ଦାସ ତଥା ସମସ୍ତ ସଭ୍ୟ ଓ ସଭ୍ୟା ଓ ଶିକ୍ଷକ ଶିକ୍ଷୟିତ୍ରୀମାନଙ୍କର ଅକ୍ଳାନ୍ତ ପରିଶ୍ରମର ଫଳପ୍ରସୂ ଏହି ଅନୁଷ୍ଠାନ ଆଜି ଗୋଟିଏ ପରେ ଗୋଟିଏ ଉନ୍ନତିର ସୋପାନ ଚଢ଼ି ଚାଲିଛି। ସେହି ସୂକ୍ଷ୍ମ କଳେବର ଆଜି ବିଶାଳକାୟ ରୂପ ନେଇ ଯୌବନର ଉଦ୍ଦାମତାର ଢେଉ ଭାଙ୍ଗୁଛି। ତାର 100% ସଫଳତାର ସମ୍ବାଦ ଆଜି ଦିବି ଦିବି ନାଦ କରି ଓଡ଼ିଶାକୁ ପ୍ରକମ୍ପିତ କରୁଛି। ମୁଁ ସମୟ ସେଦିନ ତାର ଜନ୍ମ ପ୍ରକ୍ରିୟାରେ ଚକିତ ଥିଲି। ଆଜି ବି ତାର ବର୍ଦ୍ଧିଷ୍ଣୁ କଳେବର ଦେଖି ଚକିତ ହେଉଛି ଆଉ ଆଶା କରୁଛି ତାର ଭବିଷ୍ୟତର ଆକାଶଛୁଆଁ ରୂପ ଦେଖି ବି ଚକିତ ହେବେ। ବାସ୍ ସେତିକି ତ ମୋର ଗର୍ବ, ସେତିକି ତ ମୋର ଅହଙ୍କାର। ଆଉ କ'ଣ ଦରକାର? ନମସ୍କାର।
It was really amazing, and it was a flashback in the time machine. Thank you so much, Tamanna Das, for reliving the memories and bringing the memories back to us. Incredible performance, children. Thank you to the mentors also who helped Tamanna Das to create such a masterpiece. Now, coming to an end of the wonderful day, I would request our very dear Bothal Madam, Administrative Supervisor Day Shift, to give the vote of thanks.
A very good morning to one and all present over here. The history of all times and of today specially says about the unimaginable sacrifices, courage and the great vision with which the first brick of Vijayam's stool was laid. That long and noble line of efforts, perseverance and hard work which has ended creating a pathway for us to walk on and build a new epitome of education. I, Mrs. Anusha Bothal, the Administrative Supervisor of Vijayam School 2, feel honoured and privileged to propose the vote of thanks. I would like to extend my heartiest and deepest gratitude to each and everyone present over here. I would like to thank all the dignitaries whose untiring effort and dedication towards the school inspire us to work hard. Thank you, esteemed Chairman Sir, Sri Raghunath Mishra, revered Manager Sir, Sri Pratap Kumar Jaina, and our beloved Principal Ma'am, Mrs. Khanika Das. I also give my big thank to Senior SMC Member, Mr. Sanat Das, for sparing his valuable time. I would also thank my teacher, colleagues, for walking step by step, toiling hard for a better tomorrow. A big thank to all my dear students, without whom we are incomplete, the one who are the powerhouse and the lifeline of our school. Last but not the least, I would like to thank all the teaching, non-teaching, technical and administrative staff who have lent their supporting hands to make this event successful. Hope we all will work together for the best of our school. Thank you, stay safe, stay healthy.